Good evening, friends. Today we are at the Art Carrot. This is the Modi Gold. This is a soft launch for Mrs. Asha Kamal Modi's brand, which has been very popular. So we have here with us Piyu Leheri, and she is now settled in the city of Gurgaon. And she's told me in our conversation that she's been overseas. She's been in Singapore and she's been in Vietnam and a lot of places. And she and her mother and they've been wearing Art Carrot, for a while. So she'll first talk about the jewelry and then she'll talk about herself. Yeah, it's for you.
I enjoy wearing jewelry. And, when we go for weddings, in India, we all love wearing heavy stuff on our ears and our neck. But these days, with security, it's a bit of an issue. So, from a very long time, I've enjoyed picking up pieces from Art Karat and wearing them with pride because, they're so well made that you don't know that, they're not real. And you can have all that glimmer and shine that you want to. And I especially like the fact that, they have pieces which are inspired not only from Rajasthan, I love that jewelry, but some of the pieces also have a very international look about them. So some of the pieces when I've stayed overseas, I've worn them and people have been absolutely amazed. You carry itna heavy jewelry with you, and so that's why today I am here. My son is getting married in a few months, so I've come to pick up a kalgi or something which he can wear on his wedding, on his turban, or like a brooch on his achkan. So looking forward to shopping.
That's nice. And since you are a Bengali,
Yes.
so Bengali people, like even I was born in Kolkata, so I have not been there, and I wish to go there someday. But then Bengal, like normally it's associated with Durga Puja,
Right.
and then we have the Mohan Bagan team, and then we have Rabindranath Tagore, Shanti Niketan, and everything.
Yes.
And they would also, Bengal women are supposed to be pretty, and then they're supposed to be wearing, I think, very good jewelry.
Right.
So how do you relate Art Carrot jewelry, when you're talking about Rajasthan? So I said, if Bengal, so do you have something where the traditional, what do you wear, the Bengali women? Do you have something as traditional in Art Carrot?
Um, Actually, they have some pieces which are inspired by Bengal. And as you said, during Durga Puja, we like to wear jewelry, nice, different jewelry in the morning and evening. So for those 4 or 5 days, it is absolutely beautiful. And I have seen some pieces which are mostly gold with a little bit of enameling done on it,
Yes.
which are absolutely exquisite. So Durga Puja is also coming close, so I might actually pick up something for Durga Puja too.
Because last time
Thank
we
you
were,
for reminding me.
yeah, and last time we were here, Asha Kamal Modi ji's, exhibit at Taj Hotel.
Right.
So there they had some traditional jewelry from Odisha. And it was more like temple jewelry. So she has got timeless jewelry
Yes.
and the inspiration, and now everything is what she's doing. So a lot of people are flocking, and as you said, to wear. I remember my aunties, Buaji and all, mother, they used to be around in Calcutta. So
Right.
that is, I'm talking about even 30 years back. So they used to say there used to be problems there, Naxalite problems,
Yes.
which is now not there in West Bengal, but it's gone to the other states of Jharkhand. So there, the reason for the rich Marwari women in West Bengal was to keep two pieces of jewelry. So one would be imitation. So they would only wear that to the parties, and the real jewelry would be either in their home lockers or in their bank lockers.
That's
Yeah.
actually a very sad part. Like my father actually is Bengali from Rajasthan. So some of the pieces that he has inherited belong to his great great grandmother, but most of them just stay in the locker. But thanks to Art Karat, which has some pieces which are inspired from that period, I'm able to wear jewelry which actually looks similar and feel happy
Right.
that I'm nicely
So I
dressed.
think although we were planning to talk about you in person as well, like
All right.
since you've traveled the world,
Yes.
so if you want to share some sort of your last I would say 20 years,
Okay.
that'll be good for us.
Great.
But maybe your family, your husband, your father, he has a forest officer and
Yes.
he rose up, so where you've lived, you started in Shimla, so you would talk about that.
So let me start with my father. My father's great great grandfather was a school teacher who went from Calcutta to Jaipur to just start the schools on modern lines, and he grew up. He rose up to the position of Prime Minister of Diwan of Jaipur. That's how we have all that beautiful old jewelry. And my father also, he's a forest officer, and we grew up in Shimla in Himachal because he was Himachal cadre, and we were there till actually I got married, and after that he actually rose and became the number one position in the forest department, in the Inspector General Forest, which is the same rank as Secretary Government of India.
We would like to know his name,
His name is Anupam Kumar Mukherjee, and he has been a huge advisor for World Bank, for UN, for Asian Development Bank, and he has been invited all over the world to talk and speak. And in fact, lots of times, all the Asian countries would ask him to be their spokesman because he could speak with confidence, not only about Indian forests, but also forests of all the Asian countries. And he would be heard.
Right. Since you talk about forest, so normally forest, जो हिंदी में हम लोग बोलेंगे जंगल है, and although I have friends whose parents, they were in pre-independence. That is, somebody was a collector in around 30s. So my friend, like he's Salim Qureshi from school, and he shares us pictures of various forest ranges and all. And then he shared us recently a picture of his father with the princess of Afghanistan, because we have this recent Afghanistan crisis. So where they had they had possibly shot a few tigers. A few tigers mean something. Although when today we're talking, it's about conservation, it's saving the tiger. But in the British Raj in India, so there were all the Maharajas, and so you might have also have a good share of wildlife
Yes,
with
yes,
your father. Those journeys, if you're going to share some memory.
definitely. As you said, when my great great grandfather used to accompany the king on his tiger shoots, and my father was in the forefront saving the tigers, saving the deers. And when we grew up, we used to stay in different forest rest houses, and sometimes they were so remote that you couldn't see electric light for kilometers, and we used to walk, and that's the best part of being a forester's daughter. You got to live in the lap of nature and enjoy nature that had not been touched by tourism, at least then.
Yes. So therefore, I think today I'm Sanjay Agarwal, and when I'm talking to PU, so when I got to know more about her, and it was really nice because today when we're talking about technology, so we've moved away, we've moved into a digital world
Right.
where we just view what we like to see. And so I just want to appeal to all of you that when we talk to PU and when you watch this and you learn, so try to experience, go to the jungles, go to Rajasthan, go to Bengal, go to all over India, discover India, So we're trying to be the brand ambassadors for the tourism. And
Exactly.
yeah, so
Keep the phone away, keep your laptops away, and just enjoy, because we used to have a book of Salim Ali, and we used to
yes,
go bird
the bird,
watching.
yes.
We went trout fishing, and we had so much fun. But my sons, you tell them you keep your phone away for 5 minutes, I think they cannot last for 5 minutes also. But you can.
Certainly. So thank you, Piyu. And just lastly, when you talk about Salim Ali, so we in our school also we had a guy Shahid. So he had used to, I think he used to be in the boarding house, the hostel.
Ji.
So there were memories now. Friends share that he, and I've seen like he got a python. So to means we are scared of snakes, and he's holding a python, and now we come to know that in the boarding house he had full lot of snakes and pythons. So it's something which we're just trying to spread that message. So thank you, Piyu. It's been wonderful talking to you about your journey and today your visit to Art Carrot show. It's Modi Gold. So we wish them as well. We wish them all the best. There are a lot of people, a lot of women who's been coming here, and I think they're buying, they're picking up, and the show must go on. And they've also got at DLF Emporio. So maybe you can visit there, which is a happening
Definitely.
place. Yeah.
Definitely. I'm looking forward to it.
Good. Thank you so much.
Thank you for
Lovely.
chatting.
Nice speaking to you. 1 minute. Just shut this. Yep.